Dallas and Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Washington County in north-central Maryland, northwestern Montgomery County in central Maryland, southwestern Frederick County in north-central Maryland, Loudoun County in northern Virginia, southeastern Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, northeastern Warren County in northwestern Virginia, Clark County in northwestern Virginia, north-central Fauquier County in northern Virginia, the eastern city of Winchester in northwestern Virginia, Jefferson County in the panhandle of West Virginia, south-central Berkeley County in the panhandle of West Virginia, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Inwood to near Millwood Pike to near Stephen City, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Germantown, Leesburg, Winchester, Herndon, Broadlands, Lansdowne, Lowe's Island, Brambleton, Charlestown, Poolsville, Millwood Pike, Dulles International Airport, Ashburn, Sterling, Ballinger Creek, Countryside, Purcellville, Brunswick, Ranson, and Berryville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
6 times more vitamin D, 10 times more vitamin E, and 25%